In this video, I'm going to show you how to install MetaTrader 4, and I'll also be installing MetaTrader 4 into a specific folder. So here is the install program for Fusion Markets. I'll run this. And the first dialog that pops up is this one here. And I need to go into the settings. And here I can specify the location of the target folder. So by default it puts it in the program files. Sometimes that may possibly run into access permissions with certain security systems. So instead of there, I'm going to change the target folder to c:/empty4-fusion markets, which is a user accessible area in a router drive C, and at the same time I also changed the program group so that matches the name of the folder. I don't need this ticked, as it just displays the website. So now I just step through all of the dialogues. And finish. And now we can log in to our MetaTrader 4 account. So I'll pause it at this point here and show you how to configure MetaTrader 4 in the next video.